to the outside, so you can
the pool,
kind of check out what's going on. Really cool pool. Boom! What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Joannis or Joe Hatagwa. I'm a Sierra Leonean American living here in West Africa, and right now I'm in Sierra Leone. If you can't tell by the ornament on the bed, that's the Sierra Leone colors. And if you want to see what a luxury hotel looks like here in Sierra Leone, then this is the video for you. Alright guys, so I am going to be taking you to the Pearl Hotel. It's like a hotel and residences. It's a little bit like an apartment style hotel room. I think you'll love it. So this place has a pool. It has a little outside seating outside of your room. If you want to smoke shisha, that's very popular here. So they have that ability. They also have a cafe around the corner that you can work from. Makes it easy to have meetings, but also to be able to get your work done if you want to get outside of your room a little bit. You also have a view of the ocean from some of the rooms, and there's also a restaurant across the street and near the water so that you can eat, smoke your shisha, and enjoy the great weather. So check it out. Hotel. I'm gonna give you guys a quick tour so you can see what it looks like. I love this place. It's definitely like a short-term stay or long-term stay. It's not just like a hotel, it really feels like an apartment, but I'm gonna talk you through some of the amenities so you can see what it looks like. This place is really dope, so check it out. Okay, so here is the main reception. The main reception is down here. Plenty of dope artwork, as you can see. So that's the way to the main reception. And then you have some staircases here that leads upstairs to some of the rooms. Lots of great shrubbery, and here is the main pool area. So each area has its own like little smoking section, so you can smoke shisha, chill outside. You have a great pool. So this is a poolside bar. So if you've ever been to a hotel or a resort that has a swim up bar, basically the bartender sits here on the right hand side and you just swim up to the bar, sit down at a stool, and you can get your drink and then go back to swimming. So we're gonna take you to inside of an apartment. All right, guys, let's do the tour. So we're at the Pearl Hotel, as you know. Let's come on and close the door. So the first thing you'll notice is the television in the living room set here. Really cool decor, really nice and cozy. This is a 2-bedroom, and so if you're staying here as a single individual, they do lock one of the bedrooms so that you can't have access to it, so you can't have like additional people staying over on a 1-bedroom price. They have a cool little island here where you can entertain guests, sit down for lunch or dinner, right? This doubles as a breakfast nook, lunch or dining room table, as well as like a little bit of a bar. The kitchen is really nice. You of course have the vent, so when you do your cooking, you have a really nice stove, and you have a conventional oven. There's a microwave down here, Samsung appliances, so that's really cool. Of course you have your teapot, and your coffee and tea come standard with the room. And then they have plenty of cabinet space, so you get your utensils, right? Everything you need, right? Cups, forks, knives, spoons, all of that is all in these drawers. As as you can see. They have a little closet here for if you wanted to keep your spices. Like if you're staying here long term and you wanted to keep your spices, this is kind of like a pantry. Nice size fridge, which can really store pretty much anything. There's no light in here. Okay. Is the room okay to go inside? Mm-hmm. Okay. So here's the bathroom. Really nice. So this is the bathroom. Everything you need, right? Sink, mirror, shower, toilet. Even has a bidet if you're European and you're into that. So yeah, it's a really, really nice shower. And then we'll go look at the bedroom. Oh, the bedroom's here. All right, so let's take a look at the bedroom. And this one also has a master bathroom. So this, everything that you saw in the other one was just a little bit bigger. So what they'll do is they'll actually give you access to both bathrooms, which is really cool. So your guests can use that one, and then this is the master bathroom. So as the person staying here, you stay in here, or you can use this one. And here's the bedroom. So they have a king size bed, a dresser here, plenty of storage space. I love Isaac's African clothes. Always has his African designs. And then they have window to the outside, so you can kind of check out what's going on. Really cool pool. And then also there's some really cool artwork in here too. So like you'll notice that about this place. They're really, really, really nice artwork. So yeah, that's it, guys. Oh, so of course you have a phone. So you can dial down to the front desk for anything you need. Of course, if you want to order room service, you have your breakfast menu here. I think it's 7:30 to 11 a.m. And if you want to order dinner or anything like that, you just call the reception and they'll have food brought to you. Now, as you guys know, I also use the Pearl as one of my office spaces, right? I like to go work in the little coffee shop around the corner. So I'll do a video there so you guys can see where other people are. And there's a bar as well where a lot of people like to come and hang out. So that's it for this place. If you like the content, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time a new video comes out. All right, guys, see you on the next video. Alright guys, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, like, comment, and share it with your friends. Alright, see you on the next video.